Hello traders, January 6, 9:31 EST. Love the fact that we're witnessing in live markets everything I had been projecting for almost over a year. A short on oil from 106 in a play. What have I been saying always and forever? Oil is heading to 46 and then potentially 240. Love when I got the email yesterday. Oh my God, you were right. Oil at 50. 50 meant nothing. 50 is just a temporary pause. That's where oil is heading next to, and more than likely it will be a temporary pause as well. So pay attention to what oil is doing. This is daily chart. Formula remains the same. It doesn't matter if you trade daily, weekly or monthly. The same rule you apply on 1 minute chart you're using on monthly, except you need much bigger account size. On daily chart, oil is showing 46 is important number. There is absolutely nothing stopping oil. Whatever bullish power we see on oil short time frames is only bullish corrections that are not projecting into larger time frames. Clear? This is a collapse on oil traders. This is, if you knew alpha wave trader method, you are shorting oil from 106 area. This is first time in years oil is reaching 46.56. What do I say? More than likely, it's only temporary reversal zone. More than likely, we will see only bullish correction. I'm drastically more interested to see response on oil at these levels. This is where knowledge of the traders will be tested. Do you know the difference between correction versus reversal? 2015, as I explained, for the last 6 months will be very powerful year because oil monthly at reversal zone will stage powerful bullish rally. S&P first time in 5 years in reversal zone. Is this the inception of bearish collapse? So far it's only correction. Do you know what separates collapse from correction? That remains the key. If you browse social media, you will see for years I've been spelling out S&P heading to 2100. You had opportunity to buy S&P from 800 if you know alpha wave trader method. So let's get back to day trading as that remains the key chart for all the entries. S&P reached reversal zone. As we've been discussing since yesterday morning, at some point I expected bullish rally, which is what played out at the close. Was this a powerful bullish rally? Absolutely not. This remains a key level. In order for S&P to pick up this steam, it has to blast through this level. We did not get 10 out of 10 trade yesterday on S&P. All the trading was extremely aggressive because we did not receive any confirmation on our powerful hourly chart, which only played out at the close when reversal zone had been reached. And this is what S&P is showing on daily. Are you ready where it's heading to? This is where S&P is heading to. S&P is heading to 2002. Very important level. We will be monitoring for response, but this is where I expect to see S&P here. This is potentially will present very powerful buying opportunity. And this is what will separate knowledgeable trader from trader who enters on corrections. Again, very important level on S&P 2002. As we know, S&P respects and adores 2002 like no other instrument I've ever seen, especially correlating with 2000 level. But guess what? I expect that level to be broken. And right now S&P is hanging for dear life because 2023-75 very important. If S&P blasting through, the rally will pick up the steam, but again, on daily chart, I expect it to be only bullish correction. No reversal here. Expect S&P here. We'll monitor the structure at this level. For day trading purposes, I expect plenty of buying opportunities. For position trading purposes, I expect it to be very, very temporary. This would be crucial how S&P responds with rally on daily and weekly chart. So, and here's a cherry on top for us Americans. Who is ready to go to St. Bart's? I always am. This is where you're heading to. 98. What do I expect? I expect rally from this level. Very temporary. This is the end of the minor trend. If you know alpha wave trader method, you had been shorting euro for quite a while. Do you know from where? From 3800. Browse social media and I can always bring up my favorite screenshot of all times. Peacock. This is where euro is heading to. 9800 temporary pause, next level 77.9, and guess what, after that, that's where euro will be within the next few years. I cannot time the markets, but I can tell you where the price is heading to. So let's get back to day trading, as the same formula I apply on monthly and daily charts I use on very small time frames. Will S&P pick up the steam? Will it blast through this level? As we already discussed in our pre-market market review, this was the buying opportunity on S&P, and this is where S&P is now. Decision point 2. The response on reversal zone on very small time frame is what remains the key. So if you know the rules, the sky's the limit. You don't need